back at Universal. First day back after COVID-19. Oh wow, parking is free.
Yes.
Interesting. So again, I always like to apologize ahead of time for the audio and video when we're doing videos like this because it's in a waterproof case. But take a look at how empty it is. They're actually doing social distancing between the parking lot spots, which I find very interesting. And it's dead. Like, it's also a very crappy day. It's not very sunny. It's warm out, but it's not sunny. So this is gonna be interesting. I'm very curious to see how this all goes down. Let's go have some fun at Volcano Bay. Yes, I do have a mask. I just forgot to put it on when I got out of the car. So I'm sure I'll get comments down below about that. They have the social distance markers up to 6 feet. The queue to get on the bus at Volcano Bay. Great space. Great thing they're doing here. They told us to skip seats in between each person if you're like with an extra different group. So they're being very good about it. I gotta be honest with you. They're being good. Yeah. That's what I'm curious about. I don't know if we're gonna get a tap or not. I would assume not, just because of how low the capacity is gonna be. We'll walk on everything, but who knows? Tap in and switch your journey to that attraction instead.
Annual pass holders are again. We do have.
This is like, I feel like some semblance of normalcy again. This is great. And they are giving out Tapu Tapus. That's the we got here early color. There are not a lot of people out, and they have everything, appropriate for social distancing. No one's here. This is great. Face masks are optional once you're inside the park. And I don't want to feel like I'm being waterboarded, so I'm not wearing a mask. So food and merchandise is where it is required. So if you're going to buy anything, put the mask back on and head over and do your purchase. Let's go have some fun. So we've been here for about an hour now. Everything seems to be open except the big slide inside the volcano. We haven't made our way all the way around the park, but everything else has been open. Some of the restaurants don't seem to be opening. I don't know if it's because they open at noon or if they open a little bit later, but everything seems to be in working order. I will say that everybody seems super happy to be back at work, and I don't blame them. It's when you work in the theme park industry, you have to love it, and these people clearly do, and they are happy to be back. They've been the nicest team members I've encountered at Universal probably ever, but I don't know how long that patience will last. But it's great. The only thing that sucks is the weather today is not great. Look at this cloud. That's not what it looks like in real life. Yikes. But they do have a designated place to put the life jackets, which I was actually worried about because they didn't used to do that before. They're sanitizing everything after each person, even the tubes. They're not leaving in the lazy river. You have to grab one and get in the lazy river. So I think they're doing a really good job, honestly. I will say this is the lowest crowd level I've ever seen at any amusement park, theme park ever. It's great. I mean, it sucks because it sucks why it's low capacity, but it is pretty great to be here and not have to worry about waiting for anything. Everything, I forgot to mention, is a now ride. So you just scan your Tapu Tapu and then you scan to go in. No waits for anything. It's great. We even did the water coaster and we literally walked on. I mean, there was like 5 or 6 people in front of us. It took about 5 minutes to get on, but it's been great. Everybody's doing the dance half-heartedly. That's the way it should be done. The dance is stupid. Come on, let's see the waves. That was a bummer. Nothing happened. Oh, the waves did happen. Nice. We missed it. Great. I want to stay up there. That's the dream. One day, Holly. One day. One day soon. The park is just unreal. It's seriously one of the most beautiful theme parks I've ever been to in my life. It's gorgeous. I want to go in the volcano. It's my favorite thing. I love the little volcano. Well, these weren't open, but they are in fact open. Awesome. I wonder how long we have to sit here before we see somebody in the lazy river. Huh? So I wonder how long we have to sit here before we see somebody in the lazy river. Oh, there we go. 10 seconds. Like I said, it's like a guest satisfaction thing. It's great when it's this dead, but it also kind of sucks and kind of feels weird, doesn't it?
Well, there's certain rides that can't group you with people, so you can't go on them.
Yeah, you have to have 3 people for these big tube slides back here, the ones you can see from I-4. but it's just 2 of us, so we didn't get to do those today, which is totally fine. God, it's just so strange, isn't it?
Feels like you're going in places you shouldn't be going in because there's nobody
It feels like a dream almost.
Yeah.
Now, if you have like a pre-existing condition or something, I might not, go there. But if you're a healthy person and you have a mask, come have fun. They're taking crazy precautions. I think you'll be totally okay. Try to keep people on my video.
Hello there, kia ora, my friend. My name is Vol. I am the spirit of the volcano. Who are you?
Brad,
Brett, nice to see you, my dear.
nice to see you.
Why are you staring at a rectangular rock?
I'm just getting this on camera so people know how cool you are.
You're doing some what?
I'm doing this so people know how cool you are.
Oh, I'm so cool.
You are cool.
I'm so cool, I'm hot.
Yes. I'm glad to see you today.
It's lovely to see you too, my friend.
Have a great day.
You too. Go have many adventures. Kia ora.
You too. I feel like Tapu Tapu is like the better version of a magic band with like the interactivity you can do with it. Whew. Get your hand on this, and it comes out another one. What happens if you put your hands on all of them? We need more people. Here is so good. Disney Dan could use this as a relaxing look. I want you guys to hear what this does. Hopefully you'll be able to hear it. You might not be able to. Let me go in the water first. Creepy? Yes, that is so creepy.
Why?
It's all those different sounds it does. That one was disturbing if you couldn't make it out. It was 2 little kids going. That's creepy. I didn't like that at all. Let's try this thing again and get creeped out all over again. Let's see. Hang on, let me go underwater first. That was a long one.
What was that?
Oh,
Kind of mad rush leaving when it does come.
yeah, that's the thing. It's so beautiful out there. Every time you hear that, unfortunately, this bad weather is rolling in, so we're gonna head out today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment. And I'll see you guys on the next show. Thank you so much. Podcast coming tonight. Jedi Talk podcast coming tonight with me and Evan, so make sure you listen to that over on Spotify and iTunes, where else you get your podcast. But Spotify is the easiest, it seems, for everybody. All right, friends. Till then, may the force be with you, always.